This here is Thule's 9001 Raceway 2-bike trunk-mounted rack system. The Raceway models come fully lockable to the vehicle, and they also lock your bikes to the rack system with an integrated cable lock. The Raceway provides a quick and easy FitDial system with oversized ratcheting knobs, allowing the bike rack to easily be installed and removed in seconds. The lockable, sure-tight, high-strength retractable cables deliver a secure, perfect fit every time the rack is installed. Upcoming in this video, we'll show you these unique features. What we're going to show you here is a quick demonstration on how to install the 9001 Raceway onto a 2006 Jeep Commander. What you want to start off by doing is lifting these levers here. This allows the rack system to expand open. Then you want to find the designated FitDial number that pertains to your vehicle. And for a 2006 Jeep Commander, it's going to be FitDial 11. Take the two top retractable cables, go ahead and hook those into the space in between the top portion of your hatch and your roofline area. Let the cables take the weight of the rack system, so you can go ahead and adjust it and adjust the cables. If you have excess cable, just use the dial on the right to retract the cable. If you need excess cable for the bottom, what you want to do is flip this switch and then pull on the cable, and that'll allow cable to extract, and then you can be able to hook the two bottom cables into the bottom portion of the hatch. Once you get those hooked in, what you want to do is just tighten up the excess cable. And once the rack is just about completely installed, what you want to do is go to all four dials and just make sure all the cables are fully taut, and give the rack a little shake. And if there's no movement, then you've successfully installed the 9001 Raceway. Here we're going to show you a couple of the unique features pertaining to the 9001 Raceway. As you can see here, the bike arms are fully adjustable by the use of this quick release lever. It allows the bike arms to be folded down when not in use. The Raceway cradle design is a standard cradle design that has a rubber-coated protective material and a detachable anti-sway mechanism. The bikes are fastened on with a single rubber strap for the top portion and also the anti-sway mechanism. The rack does come fully lockable, has an integrated cable lock. As you see here, it latches into the front portion of this cradle, and it's easily locked with a single key lock system, and your bikes will be locked onto the rack. If you want to lock the rack system to your vehicle, go ahead and simply lock this, which is the dial lock, and once you lock that, the rack is fully locked. And this is the 9001 Raceway.